Hello everyone, welcome to Enfinity. Today we are going to discuss how to create a customer in the Enfinity system. To create a customer, click on the accounting module from the module bar. After clicking on it, you will see a customer option on the left side of the page. Click on the customer option. After clicking on it, we can see it is showing a list of customers that we have created previously. To create a new customer, click on the New button at the top side. This action will open a new window. Enter the details of your customer, including customer code, customer name. If applicable, mention the customer's name in Arabic. Select the currency they deal in, and so on. After adding all these fields, additionally, you can add extra information, such as their billing address, by navigating through the different tabs at the bottom of the page. After entering all the details, click Save. If you have many customers and want to add them to the Enfinity system, you can use the import functionality. Here we have a More option at the right side top corner. Click on it. You will see an Import option. By clicking on it, it will open a new window. As we can see, we have an option for export at the top side. By clicking on it, you will find two options, one for the data and two for the format. Once you click on the format option, you get a format in Excel. Fill in the data as per the format. After completing the customer data, browse the file by selecting from your device. After selecting the file, click on the Import button. After clicking on the Import button, system will open a pop-up. In this pop-up, you will get information about how many records have been imported successfully. Thank you for watching.